Welcome to Lincoln Tech's Denver campus, originally founded as Denver Auto Diesel College. For more than 75 years, Lincoln Tech schools have been the first choice for students ready to work towards exciting, rewarding new careers. And the Denver campus welcomes students from across the country. The training programs available here can help you launch a new career working on cars, trucks, electrical, and HVAC systems. You can also train to become a welder or auto body specialist. Hiring managers at top national and regional companies know that our campus graduates highly skilled, trained technicians that can play critical roles in their organizations. We're excited to show you everything our campus has to offer. A cornerstone of our 213,000 square foot campus is the Automotive Service Technology Facility, which includes 57 fully stocked bays with lifts, dynos, and more. Using equipment provided by industry leader Matco Tools, students train to troubleshoot, repair, and maintain today's technologically advanced cars, trucks, and SUVs. The curriculum covers rebuilding engines, flushing brake lines, working with transmissions, repairing air conditioning and heating systems, as well as the basics, like oil changes, tune-ups, and tire rotations. Our campus also includes the Tesla START program, an advanced training program for automotive graduates ready to build careers with the revolutionary automotive brand. We're proud to be one of the only schools in the country that Tesla trusts to host this specialized training for their future technicians. We're also home to the Hunter Training Center, sponsored by one of the leading names in the undercar service industry. Hunter alignment racks, tire machines, and ADAS units are found in top repair facilities nationwide. So experience with this equipment can help you stand out to employers when you're pursuing your new career after graduation. Hunter Training also prepares you to work on diesel-fueled vehicles. In fact, our campus is the first school-based training center in the country to house Hunter's 35,000-pound, four-post heavy-duty vehicle lift. So, if trucks are more your thing, you can power up your career prospects with diesel and truck service technology training and get hands-on with big rigs, power generators, hydraulic systems, construction equipment, and more. Students learn to repair and maintain heavy, medium, and light-duty diesel machines in dedicated diesel bays. Training even includes basic welding processes, something every diesel technician needs at some point early in their career. Speaking of welding, it's one of the nation's fastest-growing hands-on trades. And our campus has a welding and fabrication technology with pipe program that can prepare you for the field. Equipment is provided by Miller Welding, one of the industry's best-known brands. Our students practice pipe welding, MIG, TIG, shielded metal arc, gas metal, flux core and stick welding, and metal fabrication, which will help you graduate as an in-demand professional. You'll also prepare for pre-qualification tests through the National Center for Construction Education and Research. Learn to make damaged cars look like new, or breathe new life into restoration jobs of older classics in our collision repair and refinishing technology program. We integrate the standards of ICAR, the Inter-Industry Conference on Auto Collision Repair. You'll learn to assess structural damage and estimate repair costs, execute basic welding repairs, and fix metal panels using body hammers, paintless dent repair techniques, and more. You'll also explore the artistic side of the field, custom paintwork, decal applications, and other eye-catching custom touches. Our HVAC training program covers air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating systems technology for residential and commercial businesses. Our program includes facets of refrigeration, heating, and energy efficiency. Students work with industry-standard Hamden trainers and learn to perform energy audits. Climate control systems, electrical HVAC components, commercial refrigeration design, and green technology are also covered. Many HVAC companies contact our campus when they have open positions, and some graduates go on to start their own businesses. Future electricians can practice their craft in our Electrical and Electronic Systems Technology training program. Students build skills working with low-voltage electrical equipment, including lighting fixtures, fire alarm systems, electrical controls, and system integration. You'll learn to troubleshoot and repair home theater equipment, satellite and cable TV equipment, and whole home automation systems, and also prepare for apprenticeships and the licensing necessary to become a practicing Colorado electrician. The electrical and HVAC programs are powered by partners like Hussmann, Johnson Controls International, and the Food Processing Suppliers Association, all of whom offer advanced training opportunities at select Lincoln campuses nationwide. These are just a few examples of the partnerships you can take advantage of when you train at Lincoln Tech. Leading brands like Mazda, Peterbilt, Republic Services, and many others offer specialized training opportunities and seek out Lincoln graduates to join their teams. To help increase your earning potential after graduation, several of our programs include the option to pursue an Associate of Occupational Studies degree. If you're looking to take your career to a new level in the auto, diesel, collision, or electrical and electronics fields, a Lincoln Tech Associate degree can give you a head start. All of our staff and team members, from admissions to education and financial aid to career services, are focused on your individual success. We offer specialized services for veterans of the armed forces, and a number of grants and scholarship opportunities are available for those who qualify. We hope to see you soon here at our Denver campus. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu.